Pasok na kami. It's time to go home. Yan na. Sisilayan naman muli ang aking bayang Sinilangan. Pasok na sa loob. This is it. Malinaw pa sa sabaw ng pusit. I'm going home, where the place where I belong. Balik ka rin, kahit tagal mo nang nawala. Babalik ka rin. Diba? Pagka walang ano dito sa AI, dito na ako sa unahan. Di ba pre? Ganun lang yan eh.
Mamaya na pag nasa area wala.
Babalik ka rin. Guide me, O Lord. Ingatan mo kami sa aming paglapag. Ayan, parang maluwag ang ating sasakyan, boy. Wala pang sanda na tayong mga ano eh. Okay, see you later. Pag touchdown na kami.
Who will demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt to fasten push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip the vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation can be done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release the air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery tab is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded, unauthorized removal of any life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop in the compartment above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Please straighten up your seats, fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is also prohibited by the Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger. As a safety precaution, please refrain from charging your portable electronic devices using power banks during this time.
Okay. Safe flight. Yo, touchdown. Sa ulo, hagard. Touchdown na. It's nice to be back. I'm here now. The Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Terminal 1. Arrival. Dahil mga lagis itong mga to, buti pinapayagan. Maluwag pa eh. See? Arrival. Here we go. Dito na tayo sa ating bayang Sinilangan. May wagon jeepney. Lahati na lang natira. Ayan na. Sa dulo, kaya ako huling-huling mo. Dulo yung kuha namin, kaya maingay. Ayan na. So, yun na muna. Sige na, bye-bye.